Hello and welcome back to Autocad. Today we will see how do we use the boundary boss base command in SolidWorks. So here we are going to open a new file. So once the new file is opened, we will go to a sketch, select a sketch. Now here we will select the top plane and then we will create a sketch over here. I am creating a rectangle. Then we will define this rectangle with the help of a smart dimension. Okay, so I am giving it a vertical dimension of 80 mm and a horizontal dimension 150 mm. Now the rectangle is created and then we exit the sketch from here and then we will go to features, go to reference geometry, then we will select plane here and we will create a plane. The first reference will be the top plane and the second reference will be 100 mm away from the top plane. Here we can decrease or increase the distance. Okay, so the plane is created. Now again go to a sketch. We will create a polygon here. Then we'll define the polygon with the help of a smart dimension. "65 units and then select these 2 points and then we will give it a relation of horizontal. So the polygon is fully defined now and now we will exit the sketch. Then we will go to features and here we will select boundary boss base command. So once boundary boss base command, if there is any sketch selected over here, please delete this to avoid any confusion. And then we will select the first sketch, which is this one, and the second sketch, which is the polygon. We can adjust the green dot here like this. Now I'm keeping it here. Now in case of lofted boss base, we do not get this drop down with the two other options like direction, vector and normal to profile. But here in case of boundary boss base, we get this drop down with the two options here. So if we do normal to profile, the profile will be created like this, and here again normal to profile, the profile will go normal to the polygon shape, plane of the polygon. So now here I am clicking on OK and we can see that this shape is created with the help of boundary boss base command. Now we can use the shell command and then we can fill it for 3 mm thickness, and here we can see that a shape like this is created. Here we will hide the plane, we will hide. Okay, so we can see here this shape is created. So we can say we can create these kinds of shape with the help of boundary boss base command. If you give it appearance, then go to appearance, then select the body, then click on the body, then go to appearance from left side, right side, sorry. Then we can give it a texture like high gloss. Okay, any texture that you wish to give. Click on OK and then you can see that we have created this kind of shape. So this is how we use the boundary boss base command. We can change the color, like if we don't like this, then we can go to appearance once and then we need to select the body. Then we click here and again go here, then we can click on it and we can see that this kind of shape is created. So this is how we use the boundary boss base command to create normal shapes from the plane. And I hope you like the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video. Please unlike if you unlike the video, and please subscribe my channel to get more videos like this, and please share this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.